Happy Thursday, everybody. Today is February 22nd. Welcome to my channel and hope you had a great trading day yesterday. Yesterday, everything worked out really good. Yesterday, you can see starting with S&P 500, we were here and I was telling, recording is still here. I was telling I will be purchasing calls and that paid off really well. And even I was telling you yesterday, this is daily chart on the right side. This is sitting on support. This white line, which is 20 moving average, price was right here. And I was telling you this is where officially we would like to be buying. And exactly that's what happened. We are pumping. Now we know NVDA is a big factor of the pump, but chart was on support and end of day we had a massive rally. So from the buy zone on S&P 500 to the sell zone, 2% pump. And if you buy options, you can see there's unlimited potential to profit from this indicator. Anyhow, guys, if you like the content and if you made a lot of money, just hit the like button. That's all I ask you. Just it takes you 1 second to hit the like, share this with your friends and family and help me grow this channel. I really appreciate that. All right, so this is how we started doing this channel. So basically left side is my intraday trading chart here. This is for day trading only, and right side is daily chart, which I will review going forward for major indices, and we'll try to analyze what can happen today. So with the middle one is S&P 500. You can see this cycle chart. Now we're going towards this cycle high here. This cycle high is happening, topping out 4th of March. So we still have a little more time. So I think what I'm expecting from here, this thing to go a little bit more higher. Okay, so you can see it's already up pre-market. S&P 500 it's going to still keep going higher, all right, until March 4th, and then I think then it's going to be a potential. So I think we're looking for new highs. Let me show you MES, which is futures. It's already now touching previous highs. They're going to take this out, all right, so they're going to take previous highs out. So they're planning for a new high because they came so far, so they're not going to wait. I think so. What they're going to do is they're going to go claim this new high, and then on March 4th they will keep going higher until March 4th, and then we're going to start coming down. All right, which is in line with what I showed you before here on SPX. Same thing I'm expecting. So let me use this indicator. So gonna keep going higher until cycle top, and then we will have this risk. So depending on how high we go, this risk period of risk can potentially go a bit higher. All right, so supports can keep rising, but there are period of risk coming end of March to beginning of April. That's a big period of risk. That's where I'm expecting a dump to come. All right, now let's look at daily chart of MES, and this is the intraday chart. Very overbought. All right, so I'll be looking to, I won't say short, but I'm looking for dips at the market open. So you can see I like to buy on the green line. I don't like to buy on the red line. And in bull market, it's not usually advisable to short, but if you really want to short, this is ideal zone. So ideal zone to short is between second and third standard deviation, where it is right now. So it can still pump around 50, 60, 50, 63 and up. If that happens, this is a zone. Okay, so this is a zone. Top zone is 5081. I don't think it's going to happen 5081. Anywhere in this box, S&P 500, that's a good area to short. All right. So if I go in this box where we are right now, we are towards new all-time high. So I think it's going to cross that. So even if it goes slightly higher, around 50, 60, 50, 70, this is the area you want to buy put options, in my opinion. All right, so NASDAQ, let's go quickly look at NASDAQ. Where is NASDAQ here? So let me zoom in. On the right side is a daily chart. NASDAQ is also near a sell zone, but ideal zone to sell is above second standard deviation 7933. So you can see somewhere here, you can see when I move my pointer on the left side, right side also moves, so it's above all moving averages, Nasdaq. But I'm looking for around 50, let's say above 50, sorry 17935 and up is an ideal zone to sell this future or buy put options. Dow Jones also trying to make a new high, and you can see here also it's near a sell zone. If it somehow goes above 3909 and up, that's a good area to sell. Russell 2000 now going down. All right, so that's this. You can see how there's always market opportunities to buy. So you just gotta keep finding a market opportunity to buy is in that Russell 2000 IWM ETF. So I think it can still drop around 1989 and below. And if it goes here, that's where a major support is. So around 20 moving average and 50 moving average, that's where the support is. So a little bit more lower on Russell 2000 IWM ETF, 0.44 lower. That's going to be a very good area to buy. All right, so Tesla, Let's quickly scan through Tesla. Right now, it's in the middle zone, neutral zone. So basically, this is no trade zone. So looking for a pump to 199.76 and up. And if it comes below to 190 and below, that's where you should be looking to buy. And that's where this 20 moving average is. NVDA, massive pump, massive pump on NVIDIA. I won't be looking to short this. It's in a sell zone right now, short term. But again, this is pretty very hyped up. It is opening out a big gap up at this time. No reason I'm going to be shorting this, but there is potential for a little bit downside as market opens because there are multiple gaps up. So do what's best for you, but it's in the sell zone short term. For some reason, if it goes above for 771, that's an area you should be looking to short. Until they'll wait for this to pump. All right. Apple daily chart. You can see in between sell zone and neutral zone, and in the daily chart also finding resistance on this 200 SMA. Let me zoom in. This dark blue line. This is 200 SMA. So above 184.39. This is the sell zone, so that's where this resistance is. So I think it's going to be not easy for Apple to break through this 200 SMA, which is sitting right now around 183.63. Let's look at crude oil. Crude oil right now going towards buy zone. So you can see here daily chart is also trying to find support on this green line, which is 10 moving average, and the support is around 76.93 and below. And let's look at gold. Gold is also rejected from this 50 simple moving average, and buy zone is 2019 and below. So around here, which is 250 simple EMA, sorry, yellow line, and green line, which is 10 moving average, that's where it's looking for support. All right. Silver, let's go to silver here. Silver is also coming towards buy zone here. So you can see market opportunities in commodities and IWM. Okay, so 22.82 and below is the buy zone. That's where this support is coming here on silver as well. Natural gas massive pump got rejected on this 20 moving average. Still, oh, sorry, let me get natural gas here. Here. Okay, so natural gas, I'm waiting for 1.7361 and below. So right on green line, that's where I'll be looking to buy natural gas. Dollar index, dollar is pumping. All right, so dollar is pumping. Massive breakdown after NVIDIA earnings. Now trying to find support on all these multiple moving averages and now pumping, which is very bullish. Going towards sell zone. So 104.158 and above is a very big resistance here. Bitcoin. So Bitcoin here now down 1.22%, but touching buy zone right now, 1559.05. Just touch buy zone around 8:50 a.m. Eastern, and now you can see it's just trying to flag. Let's see. I think it's sitting on support here on a daily chart. I don't see any major support on daily chart. I think it can come down a little bit more lower, and 48,535 is where the support is. And the reason I think it's going to come down is because of Ethereum. And the reason I'm going to show you Ethereum's daily chart, there's a gap around 2808. So I think in order for Ethereum to fill this gap, it has to drop further down. So let's see if that happens. And then I can show you Ethereum's uh, uh, live chart. This is futures. Also, I'm looking for 2896 and below for Ethereum, which is where green line is, to find support and bounce from there. All right. Hang Seng Index pumping, and you can see it broke this trend line. If I hide this moving average, you can see it broke this trend line on daily. Okay, so this was a buy signal here around 21st of February, 2 days ago, and now it's trying to go higher. So I think all the Chinese stocks should be pumping. Short term, looking for this is in the sell zone, so looking for it to go around 16,355, where all these moving averages are coming, to find support there. All right, let's quickly scan commodities. Copper. Copper in the neutral zone, looking for lower prices. 3.86, that's where I will be looking to buy again, not here. Palladium. Let's go to Palladium here. Coming near buy zone 937 and below. So that's where 20 moving average is coming. So that's a buy zone here. Soybeans right now in the buy zone. And I'm also getting a 9 count buy signal here on soybeans. So I think it's a good time to buy. Sugar. Let me add sugar here. Sugar is also in the buy zone, also getting a 8 counts buy signal. We can get another 9 count tomorrow, but it's in the buy zone right now. Wheat, let me go wheat here. Also trying it massive move near sell zone, so waiting for it to go back to buy zone. I don't buy in the sell zone, so around 554 and below is the buy zone. but near resistance on this 10 moving average, facing some resistance. Looks like it's going to go a little bit lower. Corn is also in the buy zone. Massive downside move. I think corn is eventually going to pump one day, like natural gas. For now, it's just weakening, and it's sitting in the buy zone right now. Okay, guys, let's quickly show you Netflix and other stocks, so we can wrap up there. Netflix right now is in the middle zone, neutral zone, 563.93 and below is the buy zone. So if it goes there, that's where 20 moving average is coming. Amazon uh, right now in the sell zone, 166 and below is the buy zone. So 20 moving average is where I will be looking to buy Amazon. Meta, Facebook, right now in the sell zone as well. 463 and below, I will be looking to buy. And if it comes all the way down, there's a gap fill around 460. That's where it should be finding support. Microsoft, right now in the sell zone, 398 and below, looking to buy. So anywhere from here, little lower, that's what is the nice area to buy. Snowflakes, right now between in neutral zone and sell zone. So looking to buy above below, sorry, 214 only. Not right now. AVGO also pumping with NVDA. AVGO is also in the sell zone right now with multiple gaps. So only looking to buy below 1203 and below. AMD also pumping right now pre-market and in the sell zone too. So looking to buy on the 164 gap fill, not above that. All right, guys, that's it for today. And if you're still watching, please hit the like button on your way out and share this with your friends and family. And I wish you all the best for today. Talk later. Bye.